Before the video starts, I just want to announce that we're finally done with our Discord channel, and if you're interested in joining the Discord channel, so I'm going to release giveaways, giveaway information and stuff like that on. Make sure you check down below for the link in the description, and let's get right into the video. Alright, so today we're going to be making a health bar, a basic health bar GUI, and I'm going to show you guys how to do it step by step. First, you want to insert a screen UI. Go to starter GUI, click the plus sign, and then insert a screen GUI. We're gonna name this HUD. And then we're inside of the screen GUI, we're gonna add a frame. We're gonna call the frame HP frame. And we're gonna add a bar. Before we add the bar, actually, we're gonna set the size 0.30, comma 0.30, just so we can get it to change depending on the player's device, and then we're gonna manually size it to the size that we want. Alright, once we have the frame ready, you can change the color by changing the background color to whatever color you want, but for this tour I'm just leaving it. I'm gonna just leave it at white, and I'm gonna add the actual HB bar in here. I'm gonna title it bar. We're gonna change the positioning. Oh, it's already 0. We're gonna change the size to 1,0,1,0, and then change the color to green. Alright, so now that we have the actual HP bar done, we're gonna now get into the scripting part of it. We're gonna add ourselves a local script. Name this HP manager. You don't have to name it if you don't want to. Add a wait here to prevent errors, startup errors, and then we're gonna start naming our variables. So first we're gonna set a variable for the HUD and the actual HP bar. So we're gonna type in HUD equals game.players.player GUI dot HUD. Now we're gonna reference the actual bar equals HUD dot HP frame dot bar. And now we're gonna add a little loop function that waits until the player's character is loaded and is ready to go. So for this, I do while game.players.localPlayer.character equals nil. Do wait. What it basically does is just waits and repeats this line 6 right here until the character is doesn't equal nil, until the character exists, basically. So after that, we're gonna go start the actual process. So for that, we're gonna type in this function right here: game.players.localPlayer.character.humanoid health changed connect function HP. Basically what this function does, it detects whenever the player's health changes, and the HP inside the little bracket here represents the number of health that the player has left. Alright, so before we continue, you're going to want to make sure that the default health UI display is off. So to do this, we're going to have to do game get service starter GUI set core top bar enabled comma false. And you're gonna make sure you capitalize the E in the enabled right here. So now back into the function, what we want to do is add a debounce right here, false, and then inside the function we're gonna add an if statement. Basically what this debounce thing does is that it stops it from glitching and, you know, like messing up the frame. It makes it so that once it changes, it plays once instead of glitching and playing multiple times or running through multiple times. So then once we're here, we want to change the bar size. So we're going to do bar tween size udim2.new HP divided by 100, comma 0 1 0, comma out, comma quad, comma false. We want to add a 1 before false, so 1 comma false. Then everything should be working right now. So let's double check and see. Alright, as you can see the top right, you don't see the default health UI there anymore. And now if I were to change my health right here, let's say I change it to 20, boom, it grows to 20. Let's see if I were to regen it back to 30, it grows, it just keeps growing with the actual player's health right here. So yeah, that's basically how to make a simple health UI. I hope you guys enjoyed, and make sure you drop a like and subscribe for more.